Hello and welcome to this Aspen of Hereford video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the TSA combination lock on an American Tourister urban track rolling duffel. The first thing you need to do is get something blunt, which a cocktail stick is ideal. And then what you need to do before you can change the combination, you need to release these catches. Just move those out the way for a minute. And then locate on the top the button and check that the code on the bottom is 000 because that's what it's set to in the factory. Now with a firm press it till it clicks. Change the combination to what you want it to be. And then depress the release catch again until this clicks up. And now your new combination is set, and you can clip in your clips and your new combination will be working.